Hello everyone. In this video we're going to talk about the orbital diagrams. So what is an orbital diagram, right? So orbital diagram is a chart that shows the order of orbitals in terms of increasing energy. So for example, if we have an atom that has 10 electrons, how would you place those 10 electrons in different energy levels in order of increasing energy, right? So remember, we talked about how energy levels are placed. If this is the nucleus in the center, so let's say this is the nucleus, so the first energy level closest to the nucleus would be energy level 1, and then energy level 2, 3, 4. So we are going from inside towards the outside, away from the nucleus. So as we go away from the nucleus, the energy of each energy level increases. N1 has the lowest energy, then N2, 3 and N4 will be the highest energy level, right? So this is the order of the energy levels, right? So 1s has the lowest energy, so this is the increasing energy level. So 1s has the lowest energy, so this is lowest energy, right? Then we have 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p. Now look, we have before 3d we have 4s. It means 4s has lower energy than 3d. Then we have 4p and then 5s, right? So again 5s has lower energy than 4d, right? So this order kind of does not follow the n equals 1, 2, 3, 4 order, right? So why some orbitals have lower energy even though n value is more than the subsequent level? So for example, see here, 4s, n is equal to 4, and then for 3d n is equal to 3, but 4s has lower energy than 3d, right? So how do we memorize this order of the orbital's energy? And this is the order we will fill the electrons in, right? So for that we can actually, it's very easy. So for that we can write down n equals 1, right? So let's first write down the energy levels. N equals 1 has 1s orbital, right? Then n equals 2 has 2s and 2p. Then n equals 3 has 3s, 3p and 3d. N equals 4 has 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f, right? And then n equals 5 has 5s, 5p, 5d and 5f, right? And then 6 is 6s, 6p, 6d and 6f, right? And then n equals 7 is 7s, 7p, 7d and 7f. Now what we do is we kind of draw diagonal lines. Start with the first line, right? I can only draw one diagonal line, so this is my line 1, right? And then the second line passes through 2s, so this is my second line. So let's write down, keep writing the orbitals in terms of increasing energy. So line 1 is 1s, then line 2 is 2s, right? And then draw another line that will pass from 2p and 3s, so this is line 3. then fourth will pass through 3p and then 4s, then 3d, 4p and 5s, right? So this is line 4, this is line 5, and then sixth one will pass from 4d, 5p and 6s, then we have 4f, 5d, 6p and 7s, right? So let's do these many first. So now let's write down all the orbitals, right? So line 1 is 1s, then line 2 is 2s, so let's write 2s, then line 3 is 2p and 3s, so 2p and 3s, right? And then line 4 is 3p and then 4s, see, 3p and 4s, right? So let's write down the lines. So this is line 1, this is line 2, this is line 3, this is line 4, right? So let's write 5. So 5 passes through 3d, so let's write 3d, then 4p, and then 5s. So this is our line 5, right? Now line 6, that's right here, and this is 7. 6 passes from 4d, 5p, 6s, 4d, 5p, 6s, and then number 7 passes from 4f, 5d, 6p and 7s, right? So this is line 6 and this is line 7, right? Now you can actually see this kind of is what we have in terms of increasing energy, right? So if we have only one electron, that will go to the 1s orbital, right? So let's do some examples, right? So I have this orbital diagram. Here, so this is how we have all the orbitals, you can actually see, right? So the lowest energy level is 1s, right? So this is 1s, then we have 2s, then 2p, 3s, 3p, then 4s, 3d and 4p, right? Then 5s, 4d, 5p. So you can see the energy is increasing in this direction, right? So lowest energy level is filled first. So this is the lowest energy level. So that is filled first. Now s orbital can hold 2 electrons. So I'm going to place 2 electrons provided their spins are opposite, right? Then 2s is going to hold another 2, and then p orbitals are going to hold 6 electrons. So this is how we fill the energy diagram, right, or orbital diagram in terms of electrons. Okay, so you have to memorize this order, and this is the best way you can memorize this order, right? So just write all the orbitals in each energy level. So this is the energy level, and then write down the order in which all the energy levels appear, right? So this is the increasing energy. So the energy is increasing this way, right? This being the lowest energy level, and as you go to the right, the energy increases, right? So hope that video is helpful. In the next video, we're going to learn about how to write electronic configurations using this diagram. So by that time, please memorize this. You have to memorize this. Okay, and this is how you can do that. Okay, so you can write this. Okay, hope that video is helpful. Thank you.